Welcome to our quick guide on how to block messages from Facebook community admins on your PC. With Facebook's recent updates, you might find yourself overwhelmed with notifications from community chats. Don't worry, we've got you covered with this simple step-by-step process to regain control of your inbox. First, open your Facebook account on your computer and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your news feed, look for the messenger icon in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a little speech bubble. Click on it to open your messages. Now, in the messenger window, you'll see a section called Communities on the left side. Click on that to expand it, then find and select the specific community you want to manage. Next, look for the Members tab within the community page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the members. We're interested in the admins, so scroll through or use the search function to find them. Here's where the magic happens. When you find an admin you want to block, look for the three dots next to their name. Click on those dots to open a menu of options. From the drop-down menu, select Block. You'll then see two options: block messages and calls or block on Facebook. For our purposes, choose block messages and calls. This will prevent the admin from sending you direct messages or making calls through Messenger. Finally, Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. Take a deep breath and click Confirm to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked messages from a community admin. Remember, you can always unblock them later if you change your mind. This method is particularly useful if you're finding yourself bombarded with notifications, or if you simply want to curate your Messenger experience. It's all about creating the online environment that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tips and tricks.